right now. Wasn't that fun? Let's try something else.
Hey, what up? Colorado Ken here. It is June 2nd. This is the third, count 'em, 1, 2, 3, 14er summits on one day. It's about 3:40 in the afternoon. And this is where we are.
Not take this anymore. Saying everything I said before.
Hey, this is the top of the summit. What mountain are we on, Colin?
RedCloud.
RedCloud. We're so high up that you can almost see the curvature of the earth. We're on some other mountain. What mountain are we on, Colin?
Sunshine.
This is Sunshine. Ow! And look at the view that we have. It goes on forever. Snowfields all across the way. And it's a 360-degree view. I'll film Colin filming me. How's it going, buddy? And I'm loving life, man. This is what it's about. It's been a beautiful day. I guess the word of the day would be epic. Epic.
I see a mountain on my gates. I see it more and more each day. And what I give, it takes away. Whether I go or when I stay. I see a mountain on my gates. I see it more and more each day. I see a fire above the lake. I'll drive my car without the brakes.
Mind if I sit up here, bro? Cool. Nice.